Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be cooking a very popular dish, chicken Balti. They say it was invented in Birmingham, so it's a very popular, very tasty dish. It's got a nice sort of salty, tangy taste to it. I know we've served thousands of Baltis. So yeah, guys, please give me a subscribe, give me a like if you like my content. Make sure you press that bell as well. That will give you notifications when I upload a video. I've pretty much, nearly there, I've done A to Z of British Indian restaurant cooking, and I'm getting people every day asking me for advice and trying to help as many people as possible. So drop me a comment if you've got any questions and I'll do my best to get back to you. So let's get cooking. Right, so we have our pan. Then we need a couple of teaspoons of oil, about 2 or 3 teaspoons should do it. And then we have about a teaspoon and a half of garlic clover paste. Let that cook a little bit. That's what happens when you leave it in the fryer on the gas too long. So you just want it a little bit goldeny, a little bit brown. Okay. As you can see, that's a little bit goldeny. And the next step is just adding some tomato puree. Bhuna onions here, finely diced. You want to put about just under a handful, I'd say, in there. And then wait for the onions, the Bhuna onions, to just melt a little bit, get a little bit soft. To speed up this process, you can add a little bit of salt, just a touch. I don't tend to put any salt because you've got salt in the pre-cooked chicken, salt in the Balti Paste, you've got salt in the gravy, so I just tend to not put any more extra in. Okay, so it's been about a couple of minutes and it's quite nicely sort of caramelised. And then we have our pre-cooked chicken, which is in a sauce. You don't want any of the sauce. The dried chicken in there. Okay, now this is the point where you want to lower the gas completely. And you just want to put a little bit of our desi style spice, which you can purchase, which is about 2 teaspoons, which is just mixed powder. And this is our own blend. Then let that cook in a little bit, the spices. So then you want to add the Balti Paste. It's about 2.5 teaspoons of it. Again, slow gas, let the spice cook in, let the Balti Paste cook in. So when you do bite the chicken, you get that flavour. And then you have, so it's cooked in a bin, it's been a few minutes, and you've got the base gravy. About 1 ladle, which is about 500 ml. Just. And now you can put the gas right back up. And nicely cook it. And you can leave it on slow if you want, or cook nicely. This is the bit where you could add chili powder, any green chilies, up to you. We serve it medium. I'm doing it exactly how we serve it. So there's no chili powder, but if someone says I want a chicken Balti, want it at Madras hot, a little bit hotter, just add a little bit of chili powder in there. So we're just going to add a sprinkle of coriander now. It's pretty much done. The sauce is very thick now, it's quite thick. You want a very thick sort of sauce, not a runny one like a madras or a korma. It's sort of Bhuna style, which is this kind of thick sauce. The chicken is soft. It's really breaking. So you're ready to serve it now. And a little bit of coriander for decor. Now you can get these Balti dishes. It just makes it a little bit authentic. You can get it from Amazon or anywhere like that, and it just looks a little bit better. So as you can see, it's like sort of gives that a bit of authentic look about it. So here you have it, guys. A lovely chicken Balti.